Stormont expenses are under scrutiny as the Assembly said it doesn't check the attendance of elected representatives. The Northern Ireland Assembly has admitted it doesn't record if MLAs actually go to Stormont before claiming travel expenses. Conor, you were the lead reporter on the investigation. What did you find?
As part of MLA expense claims, politicians can claim something which is called Assembly Travel Allowance, which is basically mileage for them to travel to Stormont. More than £650,000 have been paid out to MLAs for this in the last 3 years. That included close to 2 years where the Assembly had been collapsed. But many MLAs still claim the allowance for a number of reasons. As part of this, MLAs have to submit attendance records outlining the days they travel to Stormont. These records aren't made public, but we ask for them through Freedom of Information requests.
So what did you find? Is there any examples?
What we found was a wide variety in how these attendance records were submitted by MLAs. But ultimately the Assembly wasn't able to verify whether they actually attended on those days. Specifically, we found examples of politicians not attending meetings which they claim to have travelled to. Multiple instances of MLAs travelling hundreds of miles to pick up printer ink and mail, and examples of Assembly staff inviting MLAs to register additional days which weren't recorded on their original forms.
What has the Assembly said about all of this?
The Assembly has essentially said it's down to the MLAs to mark their own homework on this. They say it's up to individual MLAs and it's their individual responsibility to submit accurate attendance records. In some cases, Assembly staff do check as to whether days recorded on attendance forms are eligible or not, but the fact is it would be entirely possible for MLAs to have not travelled to Stormont on days that they claimed for.